In this video, we're looking at decimal places and significant figures. So the first thing we're going to look at is actually rounding decimal places. So as we go through these steps, I'm going to be doing an example for you. So locate the digit in the required decimal place. So let's say we have the number 0.3421 and we want to round it to two decimal places. So we need to locate the number in the required spot. So that's the 4 we're looking at. Now, the next step is we need to locate what we call the critical digit, which is just the one to the right of it. So if we have 0.3421, this was our digit original, and this is our critical digit. Now, if the critical digit is 4 or less, the number will stay the same. All right, the red circle will stay the same. Now, if the blue circle is 5 or more, the number rounds up 1. So in our case, because the blue circle is 2, which is less than 4, it's 4 or less, it's going to stay, our red circle is going to stay the same. So 0.34 will be our answer. Now, let's say I go and do 0.3462, okay? That's my digit, the required decimal place, 0.3462. So there's my required place, and that's my critical value. So that critical value, critical digit, is greater than 5 now. So my answer is going to be 0.35 because we round up 1. We're also going to look at what we call significant figures. So the first thing you need to do is locate the first non-zero digit counting from left to right. So we're going to do, let's say 346.2, and we want to go to 2 significant figures. Okay, so my 2 significant figures, that's my 4 there. Sorry, first non-zero digit is my 3, straight, that's fairly easy. From this digit, count the number of significant digits including 0. So 346.2. We only want 2 spots, so 1 and 2. We're going to stop at that required number of significant digits and round there. So that's my critical digit 6 is greater than 5, so we get 350, and then the decimal place can go there. If you want, you can put the 0 out there and there. Pretty much any number after, any digit after that significant number that we found just becomes a 0. All right, so if I go and do, let's say 0.00362, okay, same kind of thing. I'm going to count to my first non-zero, which is the 3 down here. All right, so 0.00362. We're going to count 1, 2. So this is my critical digit. Because that's a less than 5, it's going to stay the same. So this rounds to 0.0036. Yes, there's more zeros in front of the 3, but significant figures, digits only start when it's a non-zero.